All right, folks, I wanted to show you just a few works by artist and professor Andrea Polli. So Andrea received her MFA in 1992 from the School of the Art Institute of Chicago and her PhD in 2011 in Communication, Computing, and Electronics from University of Bristol in the United Kingdom. Currently, she's a professor of art and ecology at University of New Mexico, and there she has an endowed chair position in digital media. She's also has received a Fulbright Specialist Award. Polli's projects often bring together artists and scientists from various disciplines. She's interested in global systems, the real-time interconnectivity of these systems, and the effect of these systems on individuals. A lot of her research is in data visualization and the environment. So she's looking particularly on at climate change and pollution metrics in the environment around us, and then transforming that information into artworks. So to start off, in 2008, she made this cloud car, which was a collaboration with Chuck Varga. It's a station wagon, you can see there, but they've rigged it up with a bunch of misters with water tanks in the back. So the cloud has this, or the car has this visible cloud on it, right? And so this is just a way to sort of make more clear the idea that automobiles emit exhaust, right? Or at least non-electric ones. Gas-using automobiles emit exhaust that usually, if the car is operating correctly, we can't see, right? It's invisible to our eyes, but that doesn't mean it's not there. So she's making it more clear that cars are vehicles for adding these pollutants to the environment around us in a visual way. Then in 2010, she did this project Breather, also with Chuck Varga. They used the most popular car model in New Delhi where the installation took place, which is a Fiat 500. They encased the car in plastic with a fog machine and a pump. And so this whole car bubble would expand and contract over time as though the whole thing were breathing, right? And then it makes it very clear, like there's this smoke in there, and this machine is like inhaling and exhaling the smoke that's produced by this vehicle. The next two pieces I'm going to show you, Particle Falls and E-Oculus. She has very good videos that explain a lot about these projects. So I am going to put links to both Particle Falls and E-Oculus in the comments, and you can watch them on her own hosting.